Hi all, welcome to the Learn Coding Academy. In this video, we'll learn how to set up Spring Boot project. First, go to Chrome and open Spring Initializr and open Spring Initializr and select based on your project type whether it might be Gradle, Groovy or Gradle, Kotlin or Maven, and select language Java, Kotlin, Groovy. I'm selecting Java, and here I'm selecting Maven for Java. And coming to the Spring Boot version type, go with the standard versions. Don't go with snapshot and this RC2. Go with the standard versions and give some group name backend. Artifact is like your project name. Give something about your project description, precise. This will be default, and based on your Java version, you can select the JDK version. You can select the 17, 21 or 25. And coming to the dependencies, first add Spring Web. It will be useful for the REST APIs and a Spring MVC. And embedded Tomcat server will be also will contain in this dependencies. Next, add Spring Data API. This will persist SQL, and with Java persistent API, it will use to communicate with the database. The Hibernate will be there internally. Next, Spring Security. It provides security to the project, like it will do authentication, authorization. That control will be there with these dependencies. And based on your requirement, you need to add. Um, this will reduce the Lambok will reduce the boilerplate of code. We no need to write getters and setters and constructors, to string methods. All we no need to write because with the annotations itself, we can get those. And coming to the next one, database will add. I am adding MySQL. This MySQL driver will store our data. In that application.properties will be there. In that we need to configure our username and password to communicate with the database. Next, you can add validation also. It validates the incoming data before it is coming into your system. Like some annotations will be there, like at the rate email, at the rate pattern, like that will be there. And you can also add cache if you need. This is interface layer that lets you use caching same way no matter what underneath. Like Redis, caffeine, this will store this temporary data. In the first API call, the process will be very slow. In the coming calls, the data will fetch very fast. These are the use of cache. Some annotations also will be there at catchable, catch put, catch evict, at catching, like that. Main uses of this dependency is like it reduces database load and speeds up repetitive operations, helps with rate limited external APIs, makes your app feel lightning and very fast. That's it. Later, you can click on generate, that file will be generated. go to downloads and unzip that file. Meanwhile, okay, it is unzipped. You can see the all required dependencies and paths. Go back and open IntelliJ. Or if you are using Eclipse, you can go with Eclipse. Process will be same. Click on this menu icon and click on open. Go to downloads. Go to the path, project name. Select this folder. I'm opening a new window. Now go to src main Java and go to the main application. That is main method will be contained here. Spring Boot application will be here. If we click run from here, Spring Boot project is running. You can see it is successfully run. You can see the output. In that you can see this Tomcat web server, all repository configuration delegate, all this all will be integrated because we added dependencies. No, that's why all are came. Okay, that's it for the session. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.